Hello and welcome to Adulting Without Supervision. Today we will be trying something a little different. I've been completely swamped at work between COVID and winter, so I've had very little time to work on any projects. As it is, I'm having to make this video while on break at work. So we're going to dive headfirst into a new show idea I've had that I'm tentatively calling No Breaks, All Hot Takes. This show will air whenever I'm too swamped to work on any of my normal projects. The way this will work is I'll have a list of things that are related to the types of projects or hobbies this channel covers, and I will throw my hot take on the subject at you. So, with the ground rules laid out, let's get started. CPUs and GPUs, the new one's coming out. Still too hard to find, and getting any new GPU SKUs just seems like a cruel joke right now. And for both the CPUs and the GPUs, competition is always great. It's why I always root for the underdog to get their shit together. Number 2, game stonks. Squeeze those hedge funds. They should have been illegal to begin with. Number 3, tool brands that get too much hate. Harbor Freight. Great for non-pros that want a good bang for buck tool. Cars that get too much hate. Number 4, we were all way too mean to the PT Cruiser, but to be fair, I was by far one of the worst offenders, considering its main nickname between me and my friends was the PT Loser. It had some great features, so we're just going to leave it at that. Number 5, magnetic graphene. A step forward for material science, but too far off to do anything in the consumer space. Number 6, the Halo video games. Apparently they're going to be working on a new one before Infinite's done. I don't know how to feel about this. I really think that Infinite should have been released already, even if they had some of the graphics weren't super great. It looked fun, and that was what was most important to me. The graphics weren't even that bad anyways, and as long as we get something on par graphics-wise with the remasters, I'm okay with that. It may also just be my need for a new Halo game talking. It is my favorite franchise, but I've also still replay old games all the time just for the gameplay, so I might be in the minority on the graphics side of things. Number 7, Tesla is now heavily invested in Bitcoin. I'm just sad it wasn't Dogecoin instead. That would have been a better meme. Number 8, Asus's new SSD mounts. It's about bloody time someone made these mount systems that didn't make me want to yeet the board into the sea. Frankly, I'm hoping everybody else catches on with this kind of thing, because those screws are way too small, way too easy to lose. I'm, of course, talking about the SSDs that go directly into the motherboard and are held down by one tiny little screw. Number 9, YouTube robbery prank ends in death of fake robber. Sounds like someone was going to rob people but planned to call it a prank if they got into any trouble. Don't walk up to someone threatening them with a big knife unless you want to get shot. As a great man once said, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That's it. Show's over. That was a thing. Let me know how you liked it, if you liked it. And also, remember, this was just hot takes. I'm sure there's plenty of nuance in the subjects I covered. I am blitzed through. Feel free to correct me in the comments as needed. Y'all stay safe out there, alright? And before I forget, please like, comment, and subscribe.